What does this mean to you, winning this award?
It's really rewarding. It makes me very proud as a nurse, as a Hispanic individual as well, and just representing my family and for all the hard work. The times that they miss me at home because I was studying or working and things like that. So it's really rewarding.
So when you look at somebody who helped you or who supported you, who's on your list? Who are those people who were saying you can do it? You really have the skills.
My family, my husband, my parents, my siblings, sometimes friends, work friends, because we support each other and we used to study long time, for the tests and the finals and stuff like that. So it actually includes a lot of people, but mainly my family.
Good. Do they ask you lots of medical questions? Are they always there saying, what is this? What does this mean?
Yes. Yep, they do. Or even like sometimes I'm like, oh my God, you got to take them to the doctor. They probably have an ear infection, diagnosing them and stuff like that. So definitely.
Very good. Where is this going to go? Where are you going to put the award?
I was just talking about it. And I was saying that I'm probably going to take it to work, and I'm going to put it in my office. And I just feel like, it's more deserving for me at work just because of the people that nominated me, and they see all the hard work that I have put in, so it's very rewarding. So I'll put it at work.
What do you say to those incoming nurses? What kind of advice do you give them? What kind of support or what kind of encouragement do you give them?
Definitely, when it comes to the encouragement, you could do it. Don't give up. When it comes to you asked me too many questions at once, so
Sure.
What else did you ask?
Supporting those people who are new to the profession, what do you say to them? Because I'm sure they get, I can't do it. I'm just going to give up.
Yep. And I also tell them that they need to be, take a step back, not to be afraid, and to always ask questions. Especially if you think you know it, always ask questions, because sometimes you can make a mistake, especially with the pressure of being a new nurse and not knowing everything. Always ask questions.
You also say that sometimes it's just a cup of coffee that somebody needs. What is that all about? Is that just giving them the moment to kind of pull themselves together? And
so because of the work that I do, everything gets taken away, including their cell phone, so then whenever they, they're at the hospital, and the only one thing that they could have is that cup of coffee or whatever, and sometimes, it's not fair for them, because sometimes these patients that are there involuntarily, so if they're asking me for a cup of coffee, it's like, here, have it.
it's the easiest thing we can give, right?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations.